We're glad to see you've escaped to the forest. Please lift up on your safety harness and exit carefully to your left and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens. Auf Wiedersehen!
Yeah.
Boarding guests, please step carefully into the seats directly in front of you and pull the harness down over your legs. If you're not riding at this time, please step behind the line.
Oh, classes. Or this would be fun.
As a reminder, loose articles are not permitted. Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you at this time. During your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the car with your head back against the headrest.
You ready?
Scan platform. Platform clear.
Remember, don't look back as you brave the Black Forest.
You're gonna start filming, right?
Yeah. What kind of car is that?
It's a Volkswagen Beetle.
It's the Blackstone?
Yeah. Rougher than the last time I remember it.
It still felt smooth.